What wedding moment made you think, that's up? I had this wedding photography gig in Florida last November. I know the couple because we did the engagement photo shoot a year before the wedding. They paid for a premium service, full 8-hour coverage from preparation to reception to send off. After the toast, both the groom and the bride gathered in front of the guests to do the cake cutting. As I was taking the shot of the first bite, the groom suddenly grabbed half of the cake both hands and smashed onto the bride's face. He did it so hard that he slammed the bride to the wall behind them. The bride screamed and yelled at the groom. The bride's family came to help her get up because the groom just laughed his ass off thinking it was funny. The bride got up and yelled at the groom, "You ruined our wedding!" People laughed and found it funny. The bride left, and we thought she would just clean herself up, but she never came back. The planner just told me that it's a wrap, the reception is done. When I reached out to deliver the photos, the bride paid me and told me to delete all the footage because she doesn't want any of it. I guess they got annulled the same night they married.